Transform your raw footage into captivating visual stories with Higgsfield's powerful editing tools. First, let's master the art of trimming. Open your project in Higgsfield and locate the clip you want to refine. Click and drag either end of the clip on the timeline. See how the unneeded parts simply disappear. This allows you to precisely cut your footage to the perfect length, focusing on the most impactful moments. Next, it's time to add some flair with effects. Navigate to the effects library and browse through the diverse options for a smooth transition between clips. Try a simple dissolve or a dynamic wipe. Want to enhance the mood? Explore color grading presets or manually adjust color balance for a professional look. You can also add animated text overlays to provide context or highlight key information. Now, let's tackle your audio. Good audio is crucial for audience engagement within Higgsfield. You can easily adjust the volume of individual clips, boosting dialogue, or softening background noise. Explore the audio effects to reduce echo or add a subtle reverb, ensuring your sound is as polished as your visuals. By mastering trimming, applying creative effects, and optimizing your audio, you'll create polished, professional videos that truly resonate with your audience and elevate your creative brand.